The OnePlus 7 is rumored to bring a crazy 48-megapixel camera and be priced aggressively one more time. Richard Yu said we should expect Huawei's foldable smartphones to get cheaper in the near future, and we have new patents for another foldable device from Samsung. I'm Jaime Rivera, and Mondays are not necessarily my favorites, but we get a longer day today thanks to daylight saving time. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals and records. Let's talk about the Galaxy S10, S10e, and S10 Plus. You currently have a deal where you can get up to 6 months of Spotify Premium for free if you buy a new Galaxy. There's a catch. You have to not be a Spotify Premium subscriber to be able to get the deal. In other news, we also hear that Samsung broke records in the United States for pre-orders, out of which 57% of those pre-orders were the Galaxy S10 Plus. That was the most popular device, and right, it should be. It's a great phone, even though I like the S10e a lot as well. Now, speaking of deals, those of you in the market for an iPhone that don't want to pay much, it seems that Apple continues to come up with iPhone SE stock just to be able to compensate for their lack of sales. And you can currently get that phone for $249 in Apple's clearance website. I do like the iPhone SE. I think that it's kind of dated right now, but still, I mean, $249 for a phone is crazy. Now let's talk about Samsung, as we've got some patent information that shows us what to expect for another Galaxy Fold. I mean, we talked about 2 other devices last week, but now we finally get images of what it looks like, and the rumors claim this will most likely be like a sort of a clamshell phone that flips out, sort of like the Mate X, even though Samsung criticized this product. Then again, yes, that is a possibility. We're not exactly sure when it'll happen, but again, I would love if somebody comes up with a concept that's more a phone and not something that extends into a tablet. And speaking of foldables, Richard Yu, Huawei's head of mobile, was recently on record and being asked, why is the Mate X so expensive and what's his forecast for the future? And according to Yu, because the technology is so new and because of all the hurdles that had to be met to be able to achieve the design of the Mate X, which I actually praise, he's like, the price is justified currently. The plan is for Huawei to actually drop this price even as low as 550 euros. There is no timeline, but according to you, he's definitely working on getting that done before Apple's foldable, which might make it in 2021. Thanks for the insight, Mr. Yu. And finally, the hottest news today have to do once again with the OnePlus 7. We've seen so many leaks and renders, and these continue to extend. Specifications are pretty much what we've heard before. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, 8 or 10 gigs of RAM in addition to good storage, a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. The interesting part is that we've got some polarizing rumors claiming that there will be a notch, even if there is a retractable camera. So it's hard to tell if there will be a retractable camera or not. But even more interesting is 2 things. One, the price tag, $569 for the 8GB model, according to rumors. And 2, the fact that the primary camera will be that 48-megapixel sensor from Sony. So think about this: great specifications, a 48-megapixel camera, and $569. What do you think about the OnePlus 7 if these conditions are met? Do you like this phone or not? Because my God, if they could finally figure out how to get that camera to be the best, and they've got the technology with the ISP on the 855 plus the sensor, I would say yes, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.